G'day guys, welcome back to this next video on Focchi Facades. In this video we're going to be looking at the different editing functions and the editing tools we have to make our life a bit easier when maneuvering around the software. Initially, the editing tools comprised of editing, copying panels, moving element groups, assigning different types of panels, the delete function, moving the panel, measuring length, so our distance measurements, and also our being able to assign the finish as well. So let's just create a. I'm going to insert a typical panel 2, and by using a control button, I'm able to pan around and play around with it, the view. So here, by clicking the edit button, I can hover over the opaque unit, and then I can edit it as such. So I can edit the type, I can edit the thickness, the height, insulation material, and the finish as well. So if I, again, by changing the type, different functions are available to me, and the different dimensions and finishes I'm able to assign. Moving on, we have the copy function. So the copy function works basically by copying the different selected element you want. So again, hovering over a particular section, left clicking to select that's the element I want to copy, then right clicking to select a point of origin to start the copy, and from there moving it to the desired paste location, then left clicking again and right clicking as well, and there you go. We've copied the section to the bottom. So then again, I can copy and paste it again as well, and there you go. I've got my two sections here. I can also move the element, so left clicking on the element, then right clicking. I can select a point to start my movement, and then after that be able to move it wherever I please. I can assign a type as well, so looking at the different types of elements and facades, I can select one, and then I can by left clicking on my mouse and then right clicking, being able to select which one I want to assign, and then right click to submit that selection. So let's click again. I want to make this an opaque unit, and I'm going to select all of them, and then right click to change the type as well. Delete function, again, working the same way. Left click to select which item I want to delete, and then right click to finish that command. Here I can actually move the element, and this is a single element as opposed to the element group I'm able to. So here I can move the element. So selecting this element from this corner, I can now move it to another location, and by using this tool, I'm able to move a single element to the desired location I want to. Measure the lengths as well, so we're able to measure the length by again clicking, maneuvering around the panel by clicking the left button to select the edges of our measurement, and again I can also get areas by finding enclosures. I can also assign finishes as well, so assigning a different finish, timber finish. I want this to be a timber finish, and this one as well. Left click and then right click to submit those changes, and it's quite easy. So our editing functions are quite easy to use. Again, edit, the copy functions, moving elements, we're able to do that, erasing and also inquiring about different lengths and finishes as well. Moving on with our editing function, we have our snap options. So our snap options basically correspond to the cursor's ability to snap onto particular references. So for instance, if we wanted our cursor to snap onto our floor slabs, we can actually toggle that on and also amend the visibility of our floor slabs. This is quite important when we're looking at actually inserting our panels and looking at the other different components of our building, and being able to specify the visibility and also even the opacity of that panel. So, for instance, if I wanted my floor slabs to be visible, but also I needed them to only be 50. Translucent, you'll find after selecting these items, this floor slab will change visibility. Its visibility will change. So all our floor slabs have changed. Again, when we go to actually inserting our panels, everyone works differently, but I like to keep my walls visible and on, my roofs off, and my floor slabs off, and my Focchi facade panels visible and snap. So here I'm able to just view the exterior part of my wall, making it quite easier to insert and configure my facades to my building again. So again, this is a quite nifty tool to play around with. I can also even make my walls opaque to a certain degree, and as you can see, I can play around with that to either concentrate attention on the facades, or also to the multiple different purposes. And that's it for the edit section. Join me next video when we look at the different options in updating and exporting our project to the BIM Service Center. And also after that, we're going to look at actually starting to insert our panels onto our building. So exciting times because this building is really going to look great after we're done inserting our elements and actually looking at the finished facades. All right, guys, see you guys in the next video.